Looking for a lightweight laptop that's stylish, powerful, and budget-friendly? Meet the brand new Lenovo Ideapad Slim 3i Chromebook Plus 2024. Whether you're a student, remote worker, or casual user, this laptop could be your perfect everyday companion. Let's explore why this Chromebook stands out. Design and build, sleek and lightweight. Weighs just 3.3 pounds. Super easy to carry. Just 0.76 inches thick, sleek and minimal. Finished in a beautiful storm gray color. Chiclet keyboard for comfortable typing. Durable chassis for daily use. Display and audio perfect for work and play. 14-inch Full HD, 1920 by 1080. IPS display. Brightness up to 300 nits, great for indoor and outdoor use. Waves MaxxAudio speakers deliver rich, immersive sound. Great for streaming, video calls, and light entertainment. Performance, smooth everyday multitasking. Powered by the Intel Core i3-N305. Efficient and reliable. 8GB LPDDR5 RAM, enough to keep multiple tabs and apps open. 256GB SSD, fast boot times and file access. Perfect for Google Workspace, Zoom, and multitasking on Chrome OS. Keyboard and touchpad. The Lenovo Slim 3i features a chiclet-style keyboard that's quiet, responsive, and comfortable for long typing sessions. The large touchpad is smooth and accurate, perfect for students and everyday use. Battery life, all-day power. Enjoy up to 11 hours of battery life. USB Type-C charging means faster power-ups. Ideal for students and remote workers on the go. Privacy and camera, smarter security. Full HD 1080p webcam for crystal-clear video calls. Built-in privacy shutter for peace of mind. Dedicated mute key for quick audio control. Ports and connectivity, everything you need. Includes USB Type-C with DisplayPort Alt Mode. Fast Wi-Fi 6 for better connectivity. Connects seamlessly to monitors, keyboards, and more. Great compatibility with external devices and accessories. ECO-friendly packaging, better for the planet. Comes with reduced single-use packaging. Lenovo's step toward sustainability and smarter design. Final verdict, should you buy it? The Lenovo Ideapad Slim 3i Chromebook Plus is a powerful, lightweight, and thoughtfully designed laptop under $500. It's ideal for students, remote workers, or anyone who wants fast performance, long battery life, and excellent visuals. All in a sleek, budget-friendly package. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more laptop reviews, and drop a comment if you'd like a comparison with other Chromebooks or laptops in this range.